Namaste, I am your Sujata. How are you all of you? I hope you all are very well. And happy Ekadashi and all of you. Happy Toli Ekadashi. And yes, we will make a spoken video. And who are opened my video, I am giving you special thanks. And please friends, please give your like, comment, subscription, and we can learn in this video only two. We have taken two auxiliaries, that is can and could. When should we use can, when should we use could? Okay na? I will ask in Telugu, she will explain in English, she will translate in English. Okay na? Friends, her name is Lohita. Already you watched my video, more people are there. And this is second video on spoken with my best student Lohita. లోహిత, నేను నేను చదవగలను తెలుగు.
ఐ కెన్ స్టడీ తెలుగు.
నేను తెలుగు రాయగలను.
ఐ కెన్ రైట్ తెలుగు.
ఈమె తెలుగు రాయలేకపోతుంది.
షీ కాంట్ రైట్ తెలుగు.
నేను హిందీ అర్థం చేసుకోలేను.
ఐ కాంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ హిందీ.
ఆమె కర్రీ షేర్ చేయగలదు.
షీ కెన్ షేర్ కర్రీ.
అంటే షీ విల్ షేర్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు, కానీ ఆమె దగ్గర లిటిల్ మచ్ ఉన్నా కూడా షీ హ్యాస్ లిటిల్ మచ్ కర్రీ ఉంది. ఆల్దో షీ విల్ షీ షేర్, వీ మస్ట్ యూస్ షీ కెన్ షేర్. అంటే కొంచెం ఉన్నా కూడా పెట్టడం అనేది గొప్ప మనసు కదండి. క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఖచ్చితంగా కెన్ అనేటువంటిది వాడాలి. అండ్ మా అమ్మ బిర్యానీ ఎక్సలెంట్గా చేయగలరు.
మై మదర్ కెన్ కుక్ బిర్యానీ ఎక్సలెంట్.
నాన్నగారు మాకు కోఆపరేట్ చేయగలరు.
మై ఫాదర్ కోఆపరేట్ మీ. మై ఫాదర్ కెన్ కోఆపరేట్ వెరీ వెల్.
బ్రదరు, నా సిస్టర్ నాకు చాలా బాగా రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వగలరు.
మై బ్రదర్ అండ్ సిస్టర్ కెన్ కోఆపరేట్ మీ సో మచ్.
రెస్పెక్ట్. మై బ్రదర్ అండ్ సిస్టర్, యు ఆర్ ద ఎల్డర్ డాటర్, యు నో.
Yes.
They are younger than you, so they can respect me. My brother and my sister రెస్పెక్ట్ మీ మోర్ అండి. ఈ మాట ఎందుకు చెప్పానంటే ఈ రోజులలో పెద్దవాళ్ళకి రెస్పెక్ట్ అనేటువంటిది ఎంత ఉందో మనం అన్ని ఫ్యామిలీస్లో చూస్తున్నాం. కానీ వీళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ అందరికీ భిన్నంగా, అంటే ఇప్పటి నుంచే ఆమె ఎల్డర్ డాటర్ అండి. అందుకే ఈ పాప నాకు చాలా కనెక్ట్ అయింది. షీ హ్యాస్ మోర్ ఫీలింగ్స్ లైక్ మీ. అంటే నాకు ఎలాంటి అన్ని భావాలు ఉండేటువంటివో చిన్నప్పుడు ఈ పాప నాతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటే నాకు అలా అనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట. కానీ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ అలా పెంచుతున్నారు. ఇప్పటి నుంచే ఆ బ్రదర్ కానీ సిస్టర్ కానీ ఈమెకి చాలా రెస్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. నాకు అబ్బాయి ఎలా పెంచుతున్నారో అది ఈ రోజులలో. అందుకనే దే కెన్ రెస్పెక్ట్ మీ వెరీ వెల్ అనేసి చెప్పించాను ఆ అమ్మాయితో. అండ్ టీచర్ బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలరు.
టీచర్ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వెరీ వెల్.
డాన్స్ మాస్టర్ చాలా బాగా డాన్స్ నేర్పించగలడు.
డాన్స్ మాస్టర్ కెన్ లెర్న్ us వెరీ వెల్.
మా అమ్మమ్మ మాట్లాడలేకపోతుంది.
గ్రాండ్మా కాంట్ టాక్ వెరీ వెల్.
మా తాతగారు నడవలేరు, ఎందుకంటే అతనికి చాలా మోకాల నొప్పులు ఉన్నాయి.
మై గ్రాండ్పా can't walk very well. Why? Because my grandpa has more leg pains.
Very good. And మా బ్రదరు తెలుగు అర్థం చేసుకోలేడు.
My brother can't understand Telugu.
వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ మా నాన్నగారు మమ్మల్ని క్షమించలేరు.
My father can't understand me.
ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ హిందీ మాట్లాడగలను, హిందీ వినగలను, అర్థం చేసుకోగలను, కానీ మాట్లాడలేను.
I can understand Hindi, but I can't talk Hindi.
Very good. And Lohita, do you know when will we use could auxiliary?
Yes, miss, I know when we use could auxiliary.
Very good. And when should we use? And future and past tense could. Past tense. Very good. And can I ask in Telugu? Could auxiliary.
Yes, miss. You can ask Telugu.
Very good. మా తాతగారు చాలా ఆస్తులు సంపాదించగలిగారు.
Grandpa could earn more money.
వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ మా అమ్మమ్మ చాలా కథలు చెప్పగలిగింది.
My grandmother could say very well stories.
My granny My granny could learn more stories for us, for me. Okay. అమ్మమ్మ తన కథల ద్వారా నన్ను చాలా మంచి మనిషిని చేయగలిగింది.
My granny could make me good person.
Oh, how could she make that?
Her knowledge
Okay.
and her
Experience.
and her interest.
Okay. Yes, if could we learn stories, we can talk very well. We have more, we could get more knowledge from stories only.
Yes.
And okay, what could you give your teachers?
I could give for teachers English and study
Okay,
and respect.
okay, very good. And how could you study your nursery?
I could study nursery very well.
I could study nursery very well. Okay. Where could you study your nursery?
I could study on Arnodaya Vidyalayam school.
Okay. Why could not you come on Sunday?
Why? Because I have church. I am a Christian.
Okay.
That's why I am not come to your home.
I could not come to your home. Could you go to church on Sunday?
Yes, miss. I could go to church on Sunday.
Okay. Could you sing a song on Sunday in church?
Yes, miss. I could sing a song on church.
Okay. And what could you get in church?
I could get Jesus.
Okay.
Could get
Blessings.
Jesus blessings
Very-
and
very good.
songs
Okay.
for respect Jesus.
Okay.
That all.
Okay, very good. And Lohita, could you see our first video in YouTube?
Yes, miss. I could see YouTube on first video.
Very good. And how could you feel on that first video?
I could feel more happiness.
Very good. And do you have interest or not for making video?
I have interest more.
Very good. And why do we need to make a video?
Why? Because we learn more English.
We can learn
More
More.
English.
ఇక్కడ మనకి క్యాపబిలిటీ కదా అన్నప్పుడు మనం కెన్ అనేసి వాడాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇఫ్ యూ మేక్ వీడియోస్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ మోర్ డేర్
There.
అండ్ మే వీ కెన్ పాపులర్ ఇన్ యూట్యూబ్ ఆల్సో. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ఓకే, ఇంకా ఏం క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగాలి? ఓకే, వెన్ కుడ్ యూ బర్న్?
I could burn on March 20th.
Okay. When was you born? We will ask like that. But it is belongs to Ken could auxiliary spoken. That's why I asked like that. When could you born? నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు పుట్టగలిగావు? Yes, she is like angel. Yes, she has good heart అండి. She has good heart. అందుకనే ఇంత గొప్ప వ్యక్తివి కదా, అందుకే వెన్ కుడ్ యూ బోర్న్, ఎప్పుడు నువ్వు పుట్టగలిగావు అని అడిగాను అనమాట. వెన్ వాజ్ యూ బోర్న్ అని అడగచ్చు. అంటే ఎప్పుడు పుట్టావు, నువ్వు ఏ ఇయర్లో పుట్టావు అని అడగచ్చు. కానీ ఆమెకు ఒక గొప్ప మనసు ఉంది. షీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంజెల్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం వెన్ కుడ్ యూ బోర్న్, పెద్దవాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు మీరు ఎప్పుడు పుట్టగలిగారు, ఒక గొప్ప వ్యక్తి కదా మీరు, ఎప్పుడండి మీరు పుట్టగలిగింది అని అనొచ్చు. తప్పలేదు. రెస్పెక్ట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్డ్ యాక్సిలరీ కూడా ఇది. అండ్ ఓకే, కుడ్ యూ గో టు హాస్పిటల్?
Why I go to hospital?
Very good. You are suffering from fever. That's why could you go to hospital yesterday? I asked.
Yes, miss. I could go to hospital yesterday.
Okay, what could he say, doctor?
Doctor given syrups and tablets.
Very good. Could you take that syrup and tablet today morning?
Yes, miss. I could take syrup and tablets.
And do you have at night?
Yes, miss. I have at night also.
Okay, very good. And must take medicines, syrups, and if you control your fever, you can come to the school tomorrow. Okay? And okay, what could I study? Guess it.
All subjects.
Okay. No. Could I study MBBS or teacher training? I am asking.
You could study teacher training.
Okay. How could you guess?
You now also teacher training only.
Okay.
That's why I guess that like.
Okay, you are a teacher. That's why you could make. You could take teacher
Teacher.
training only. She was guessed. Okay, very good. And where could I study? Did you remember? I said already.
You could study on Warangal.
Okay, but very good. My higher studies in Warangal only, and my school studies in Manipur. Okay, very good. Remember. And could you make a reel yesterday?
No, I could not make a reel yesterday.
Very good. Can you make a reel for me today?
Yes, I could make reel for you today.
Very good. Very nice. And okay, how could I wear my saree today? How could I wear? Could I wear properly or half?
You could wear properly. Very
good.
beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. And why could you wear today your hangings, your hangings?
Why? Because I like these hangings. That's why I
Okay.
wear this hanging.
Yes, already I said in this video, this girl feelings same like me. Yes, I am also love to wear hangings only. Hangings. Yes, I love earrings. That's why she has same feeling like me. Okay, next, could you wear frock yesterday?
I could not wear frock yesterday.
Okay, I know, I see. You could wear uniform only yesterday.
Yes.
What could I wear in my study days? And two planes or one plane?
You could wear on study days
Okay.
2 plates.
How can you guess?
You that day you very small person,
Okay.
small people.
Can you guess? I'm a naughty girl or a good student in my study days?
I guess you are a good student.
I can
in-
guess.
I can guess. You are a
చెప్పగలదంట
good,
ఆమె అమ్మాయి చెప్పగలదంట ఓకే
you could study very well on your days.
స్టడీ డేస్
Study.
ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్ నో ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ స్టడీ వెరీ వెల్ కెన్ యూ బిలీవ్ ఆర్ కాంట్ యూ బిలీవ్
I can't believe.
వై
Yeah.
కాంట్ యూ బిలీవ్
You are a teacher, you study very well and you are explain all students.
ఓకే
That's why I think that like.
ఐ కెన్ గెస్ లైక్ దట్
Like.
Okay, you are a teacher now. Maybe if could not you study properly. Yeah, nowadays you are not a teacher. You are a good teacher. You can explain very well. That's why I guessed. Maybe you are a good student. She is saying. Your friends seen our video. Could your friends see our first video?
Maybe that members see
They
on.
could. Maybe
They
they-
could. Maybe that they could see in our video.
Okay, very good. They could see our video, but okay, my friends all are watched our video, and they could ask me, hey, who is your bestie Sujata? She can speak very well, and she is my daughter equality. Yes, she also one of my friends all are could watch our first video, and they are given suggestion also. Sujata, if you want to make a spoken video, please make video with her, and my another students also, they could give good English in my video, and I will make more videos sometimes and more reels, but I could get good views and good likes, comments for our spoken videos only. I am thanking you students, and yes, you also best student, one of my best student Lohita, and okay, can you give me, we will ask little questions again. Can you give a gift for me?
Yes, I can give a gift for you.
What can I take from you?
You can take English very well.
Okay,
Fine.
very good understood Lohita. Yes, your English sentence only equal to gift. And what is your feeling? Your classmates can't understand for me, and they will use Telugu only. I said more times they are using do, doing, did. Do you know?
Yes.
But they are using dude. Do we have dude word?
No.
D-O-O-D, dude. We did not have. But they are using do. They, first of all, if we have interest on English, we can learn more.
Yes, yes.
If can't we have interest, we can't
We
learn.
can't get
We
more.
can't learn. Always what will we learn? We should apply always. Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, we are taking could and can auxiliary in this video.
Yes.
How many sentences we made? We could make. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Can you speak in English in your family or Telugu?
I can speak in English on family on every
With
day.
everyone.
Everyone.
Okay, very good. And somebody they learn in school, just they live in school only.
Yes.
They will live in school only, and they can't speak in English in home. What happens? What is your thought?
My thought is they not have interest.
Thanks for your understanding. Nana, somebody are very good children. They have more fear to speak in English. But what can you become?
Become.
Hmm.
I
I can
could.
become
I can become a teacher.
teacher. Oh, teacher profession only. You are good.
Yes.
Why? Why could you take that profession?
Why? Because
For example, I will say, I'm suffering more on teacher job. But why could you take that profession?
why? Because I want to learn so many children.
Okay, very good. Yes, I said already. She is thinking like me. Her feelings are same like us. నా లాగానే ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. Yes, feel more happy on this girl. Okay, yes, I have more interest to teaching only. It is my passion. So she also wanted to learn for students. What she has, she wanted to learn for others always. Yes, she has a brother, but she has a sister. She will speak in English always in school also, and she have more friends, and with every classmate she will speak in English only. If they speak in Telugu, she can roar, hey, why are you speaking in Telugu? Don't you want English? What said spoken means? Can't you follow her rules? She will ask like that in school. I listened more. Always, I will take one period only in her class. But while I am going to another classes, while I am coming to another classes, I will listen. I could listen more times her voice. Hey, speak in English. Why are you speaking in Telugu? Yes, I love my student, and thanks for your watching.